Did you know that plant-based diets are scientifically proven to promote faster weight loss compared to traditional diets? If you're ready to shed those extra pounds and enhance your well-being, you're in the right place. Welcome, weight loss warriors. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of plant-based weight loss strategies. Get ready to discover how simple dietary changes can lead to significant changes in your body and health. Losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can often feel like an uphill battle. Whether it's battling cravings, struggling with portion control, or facing the daunting task of calorie counting, many of us encounter obstacles on our weight loss journey. Plant-based eating isn't just about salads, it's a holistic approach to nutrition that can revolutionize your weight loss efforts. By focusing on nutrient-dense whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes, you can naturally increase your fiber intake, lower the calorie density of your meals, and improve digestion. These factors contribute to feeling fuller for longer and boosting your metabolism, essential components for successful weight loss. Here's the game changer: incorporating key plant-based strategies into your daily routine. Opt for colorful and diverse plant foods to ensure a wide array of essential nutrients. Practice mindful eating by slowing down and savoring each bite to enhance satisfaction and reduce overeating. By embracing these strategies, you're not just losing weight, you're fostering a healthier relationship with food and nourishing your body from within. In summary, embracing a plant-based diet isn't just about weight loss, it's about transforming your overall health and well-being. By making plant foods the cornerstone of your meals, you're setting yourself up for sustainable success on your weight loss journey. Ready to embark on your journey to a slimmer and healthier you? Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet today. Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources and tools that will support you on your path to achieving your weight loss goals. Don't forget to share your progress and insights in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to thrive on plant power. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay committed, stay healthy, and stay inspired.